Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 17. Reusable Blocks. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the reusable blocks, step by step. So let's get started. So again we start with a new post and here enter your post title. Then, click on this plus button to add a block and select image from it. Then click on options and from the list select add to reusable blocks. From here we can upload image. On top we have untitled reusable block, copy and option buttons to add more options. From right we can give it a name, let's insert default image as a name. So it is updated. Now again click on options and select add to reusable blocks. Here we can see reusable block and upload button to upload images. From these 6 dots, you can drag and drop it to change its position. On right we have its definition which says, create and save content to reuse across your site. Update the block and the changes apply everywhere it's used. Now again click on this plus button and this time add gallery from blocks. Again go to options and select add to reusable blocks. You can scroll from these up and down arrows to see more blocks. Now it also becomes the reusable block. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 18. WordPress Site Settings. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the WordPress site settings, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.